everyone, today we will present the use of Management Information System in Google Company. Google Information System strategy involves understanding the business requirements of an organization and then planning the IT requirements accordingly. Information systems at Google are perceived as a tool that can aid in developing personal versatility and focusing on corporate objectives. Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were students at Stanford University.
So we're right between that house and this house. We're renting this half of a house. Ping pong table, computer. Go to the other side of the office. There's Larry, CEO of Google. Say something, Larry. Hi.
The company was officially launched in September 1998 in a friend's garage.
There is some problems that Google can face them, such as the data privacy has been a hot topic for years and gained scientific public interest after the Cambridge Analytica and Facebook scandal, where users' profiles were sold and used to manipulate American voters. Google is a data harvesting machine that you cannot avoid if you are using one of their products. For example, if you are using any Android smartphone, then you may potentially receive ads in your local area from advertising using the Google platform. The solutions: Google has the power and responsibility to improve. Being transparent will go a long way towards gaining the trust of employees and the general public alike. Being honest with people will build a lot of goodwill that will gain their favor should they make a mistake.
The relationship between the problem and the solution contributed to draw the attention of the company towards some issues, including the storage of physical servers and devices, the accessibility of employees, the cybersecurity and privacy, and the last issue is about setting up backups and archive systems. As the company is growing, Google keeps working on its policies to prevent these issues from getting worse. Some of these policies include removing the responsibility of physical infrastructure, updating software constantly, provide easier remote access for teamwork, controlling data on employees' devices, archiving data automatically, and the last policy is about following cost control and no upfront investment.
Management level. The World Wide Web is incomplete without Google. Google is currently one of the most technologically advanced and reputed firms, which is a dream for every professional to ensure a better career. Google itself is such as a big firm that not only has a technical professionals, but also possesses professionals from other fields too that work ardently to ensure smooth running and functioning of this mega tech agent. These all professionals, when combined together in a systemic manner, formulate a hierarchy that categorizes on the basis of power, authority, and decision-making efficiency a professional and hold in Google company. This categorization is broadly done in 3 levels. The first one and hold all the administrative level professionals, while middle one hold executive level official, and at the end are operational professional. Google IT infrastructure provides various storage service and distributed file system, for example, spanner and closes, and a central key management service. Application at Google access physical storage by using storage infrastructure. Google uses several layers of encryption to protect data at rest. Google has an extensive infrastructure according to Arpor, a seller of network control and monitoring hardware. This has made Google focus on building a private internet that is most efficient and of lowest operating cost.
For a business model, the Google business model has several phases. What begins as a search engine, it's now a tech company with several products. Google put an end to the yellow pages by making it possible to locate companies not just in your city, but all over the world with just a click of the mouse. The search engine also decreased the number of times students visited the libraries at their educational institutes by providing access to worldwide collections and data. Advertising firms or independent business owners who wish to promote goods and services online are considered advertisers. For the material publishers include bloggers, news websites, entertainment websites, digital influencers, and other organizations that produce content to publish on the web in order to commercialize it. Everyone who searches Google is considered a user, including me, you, and everyone else. Whoever looking for information online consider a user. In addition to its primary text-based search function, Google Search also provides several options, such as time zone currency and unit conversions, word translations, flight schedules, local film showings, forecasts for the weather, statistics on the population and unemployment, tracking for packages, word identifications.
And about organizational impact, Google is a global archive storing our history as its mate. Because of Google, the creation and storage of information itself has expanded exponentially as people and scholars have access to information that enable them to make new discoveries. Those discoveries in turn are shared with the world thanks to the culture of sharing that has been central to the internet and Google believes. All these has been the base of discovery.
To sum up our video, it's very important for companies to survive in the competitive business world of today. Business must instantly adapt to challenges, developments. Google largest advertisers, content providers, and users to boost profits and save costs, which makes users happy. This system reduces time since it offers the main text-based search engine and data processing services. The issue that Google encountered, how the system resolved it, the nature of the IT infrastructure, and the difficulties the system encountered while being implemented. Along with the business operations that the system affects, we also discussed the system's model and business processes. Thank you for your listening, and I hope you enjoy our video.